Alright, there's an Ilco key. Make sure he's adjusting the saw blade. And Minute Key has the same blade like that one, but it's broken. Only Minute Key is just only a house key cutting machine.
Okay.
Here we go. In
Ready?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, without making cutting deep or shallow. That's a loud saw blade cutting metal.
It is, isn't it?
It's a thick, sharp blade. Thick, sharp blade.
All right.
Yeah, that reminds me about that. You see,
Yeah.
make sure make sure it's not deep or shallow. Make sure you're adjusting it to do not cut deep or shallow.
There we go. Let's see how that saw lays on this side.
And make sure we're not cutting deep or shallow.
Yeah, you don't want to cut too deep or too shallow.
Yeah, you have to cut them just right because sometimes we have to try again because the first time doesn't work just right.
Okay, you ready?
And remember that I like zombies, which I know zombies are not real.
No, they're fake, but they're fun to watch.
Yeah.
Here we go.
If the zombie goes like ACA when he dies.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. I don't want to.
What do they do when they die?
They say ACA.
Oh, do
Yeah,
they?
that's a funny noise.
Is that from a video game?
Yeah, from Minecraft.
Okay, let's see.
Let's tear it down and we just take off what we cut and make it nice and soft, new and smooth, not wacky.
We don't need those wacky keys.
Not at all.
No
Not
wacky.
at all, Rob.
None of those wacky keys. Okay, you want to go try it before we cut the next one and make sure? And then
To make sure we're not is not too deep or shallow.
Yeah.
Make sure that the key's working perfectly. I'm gonna try to test the key.
Rob does such a good job. Excellent.
Can you tell him that it worked well? And I'm gonna try it on the glove box. I'm gonna try the glove box, and then the ignition. It was tested on a 2005 Toyota Camry LE. Now, let's get the ignition a try.
But the guy's like, just do one at a time.
You know what? That's very good advice. That is.
Yep, I'm gonna tell him that the ignition is working well. Let's give that a try in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, cool. Rob used to drive a Toyota Camry a long time ago. I got it working. I'm gonna lock the car so that no one gets in there.
So, no, Jay.
So that no one gets in there.
Did it work?
What Camry that you used to drive?
Oh, my 89. I had a
19
96 and an 1989.
Wow, cool. A long time ago.
Yeah.
Key work good?
It worked?
It worked well.
Good.
It worked nice and well.
Okay.
The saw spins kind of fast.
Yeah, it does go sort of fast, doesn't it?
Not as fast as Minute Key.
No. What's a minute key?
Oh, Minute Key is usually just a house key cutting machine.
Oh, okay.
You may see my 4 videos of it on YouTube.
We've all been trying to see your YouTube, but none of us could remember your last name.
Oh, it's H-O, A is an apple, H-O.
Okay, let's make sure this guy's adjusted. Let's raise him up a tiny bit more.
So that not too deep or shallow.
Yeah. Are you going to do anything fun for Easter?
I'm not sure.
You're waiting for the Easter bunny, huh, to bring you a prize?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here we are.
You ready?
There's a saw.
You want to do a countdown?
And here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right. Here we go.
I love that sound effect.
Do you?
Yeah, I like that. My mom and my sister don't like that sound.
They don't.
Sorry. What do you think? A little bit deeper? Maybe we'll try that first.
Yeah, I think that side is okay for now, and then we'll turn her over.
Without, make sure it's not too wacky,
Yeah.
not deep or shallow. Sometimes we have to try again, because the first time you have to try again.
If at first you don't succeed, try again.
Please try again.
All right, I think that's.
Are you trying to rotate the...
Yeah, to see if it's touching the blade. There's a little sound. Hear that? See, now the blade is rubbing, so what I do is I hear that little bit of rubbing, I raise it up a tiny bit
You
until
don't want to push too hard.
Yeah, you want it just hovering like millimeters, just a
Millimeters,
little bit. Yeah.
not maximeters.
No, not maximeters, absolutely not. All right, you ready?
Yep.
All right, here we go. So how many keys do you have for your Camry now?
I have a lot.
You do? Have you ever counted them?
Not yet. Not yet, Rob.
I bet you're looking forward to driving it one day. You're like, no, you don't want to drive it?
I'm not allowed to drive until I'm 16.
Yeah. It's coming.
It's coming next year.
Next year? Holy smokes, you're almost 16?
I am 15 years old.
Wow. When's your birthday?
February 5th,
January.
2004. What year are you born in?
September 14th, 1975. Wanna go try it?
What?
Yes, September 1975.
1975. My mom was born in 1977. And which year did Rob come?
Get a winter tire.
Is that the other key that I did? Is that the other one? Okay, now we're gonna try the glove box. Ta-da! I got it.
Have a great day. Absolutely.
And I don't want to forget about the number. If I try to get that key. I don't want to get all mixed up. I'm gonna lock the car. Good. They both worked. I'm gonna give her the numbers.
Yay, high five, man.
Both of them says TR47.
There's your original. Don't you lose those.
Thanks so much.
TR47.
Two of them?
Two of them says TR47.
We'll say thanks to Rob.
Thank you, Rob, for cutting my keys, and I'm sorry I haven't been there for a while, and I do apologize that.
I'm always here, so.
Yeah, I don't.
You're ready.
If I'm ready, I'll be ready to cut your key. I don't want you to get sick.
Oh, no.
903-5117.
Alrighty. I'm going to shut the video down. Don't forget to subscribe. And always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.